Hello everyone, this is Dylan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a rocket Cinquantotto with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues. Pretty much what we did is we did a dual boiler tune-up on this machine, where we descaled both of the boilers inside of the machine. Also back flushing, deep cleaning of the group head, replacing of the gasket in the shower screen, and also just deep cleaning any other accessories that are located on the machine. After that, we did replace the leaking expansion valve on this machine. That is located on the back right side of the machine, and we fully replaced it just because it was leaking quite a bit. And then lastly, we serviced the steam wand assembly because it was leaking from the joints here. It will leak from here, and then it'll leak from the joint and the gasket there. So we serviced it, and then we got it, of course, not leaking at all. And then lastly, as we were recording the video for this machine, the pump had given out. So we replaced the rotary pump on this. Since it kind of sat for a while, it is a little noisy, more so on, you would really only hear it for the steaming side. It's totally normal. I think mainly it's a few solenoid valves that are just having a hard time opening. But besides that, calibrated it to 9 bars so that every time you pull the grip head, you get your 9 bars out. And then of course when you steam, but we're going to test that in a second. So first we're going to put the portafilter in there. Don't worry if this runs out or runs a little too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinder to these machines. And so we're just going to give it a shot. And this is using our test coffee here. So we're going to add about 10 bars. And it's going to come out a really good shot actually. Really good shot. And since this is a dual boiler machine, you can run the steam on at the same time by opening here. As you can see. Now we're going to turn off the shot. The shot came out really well actually. And then lastly, we're just going to test this hot water. Yeah. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.